Now here we solve question number first exercise 3.3 using the divisibility test. You know the divisibility test. In previous class, I taught about the divisibility test. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 8, by 9, by 10, or by 11. Okay. Here you see that here we take first number 990. 990 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. We write as here. Now we check the divisibility test for 3. We add plus all the digits. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that 990 is divisible by 3. We write as here. Next, for 4, in here last 2 digits of the number 90. Now we divide 90 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 10. 90 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 990 is not divisible by 4. No. Okay. Now we check the divisibility by 5. Here at ones place 0. Therefore, number will be divisible by 5. So we write as here. Now 6. Number 990 divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, it is also divisible by 6. We write as here. Now 3 numbers, 3 digits, 990 divisible by 8. Then the number is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja 16 3 30. Not divisible by 8. So we write 9 and no here. 9. Sum of the digits 9 plus 9 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9. So 990 is divisible by 9. So we write as here. Next 10. Add 1 space 0. Therefore 990 is divisible by 10. We write as here. Okay. Now we check the divisibility test of 11. Test of 11. Now you see here. (990) odd place, even place, odd place. Here you see that sum of odd places 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, even place 9. Difference of odd and even place sum is equal to 0. Here we get 0. Therefore, 990 is divisible by 11. S. Understand? In this way, we solve where we check the number which is divisible by the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 or not. Okay. By this divisibility test, we can say without division the number is divisible by following given digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 or not. Understand? Now we solve question number 2 of exercise 3.3. Question number 2. Using divisibility test. Using divisibility test. Using divisibility test. Yes. Using divisibility test. Determine which of the following numbers. Determine which of the following number are divisible by 4 or 8, or both by 4 and by 8. Here we take question number 2. 726352. 726352, or we can also read it 7,26,352. Okay. Now we check the divisibility test for 4. Here last 2 digit number, last 2 digit of number 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Therefore, number 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Okay. Understand? Here you see the 52. Last 2 digits. 4 1 is 4. 52 is divisible by 4. Therefore, last 2 digits. 1 2. Therefore, we can say that 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now we check the divisibility test for it. Last 3 digits. Last 3 is 352. 352. First we divide 352 by 8. 8 4 is 32. 8 4 is 32. Last 3 digits, 352 is divisible by 8. Therefore, we can say that number 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Therefore, here last 3 digits is 352 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Therefore, number 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Okay. Understand? Now we solve next question. Question number 3. Using divisibility test. Determine which of the following. Determine which of the following is divisible by 6. Now here we take a number for C part. E part 90 1352. Okay, this is the number. Now here you see that this number 9,01,352, an even number. Therefore, 9,902,1352 is an even number. Even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Oh, sorry, by 2. Understand? Now we take next. Now sum of the digits 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 2 20. Now we check once again. 9 plus 1 10, 13 plus 5 18 plus 2 20. 20 is not divisible by 20 is not divisible by not divisible by b. Therefore, number 9,01,352 is not divisible by 6. Okay. In this way, we solve other questions also. Now, take next question number 4. Using divisibility test. Using divisibility test. Yes. Determine which of the following numbers. Determine which of the following numbers. Numbers are divisible by 11. Are divisible by 11. Okay. Here we take question number C. 7138 8965. Okay. First, we identify odd and even numbers here. Odd and even place number. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Now sum of odd base b is equal to 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 5 24. Now sum of even place digits is equal to 6 1 8 6 1 8 6 15. Okay. Now difference 24 minus 15 is equal to 9. Okay. Here you see that difference is 9. Therefore, 7 1 3 8 9 6 5 is not divisible by 11 because difference is not 0 or divisible by 11. Okay. In this way we solve it. Now we solve next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Write the smallest digit and greatest digit. Write the smallest and greatest digit. Digit in the blank space. In the blank space. Space of each of the following numbers. Each of the following numbers so that the number formed is the number formed is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So here we take question number B part 4, 7, 6, 5 blank. Okay, and A part 6, 7, 2, 4. Okay, here you see that if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, now first we find the sum. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. 4, 7, 11, 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22 plus 2, 24. 24. 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Okay. 24 is now if you put 0 here, then there is no difference, no 0 plus 24. Therefore, the smallest digit 2. When we put 0 here, then the number 4,76,502 divisible by 3. Understand? This is divisible by 3. Therefore, number divisible by 3. Okay. Now we find greatest digit. Greatest digit. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 24. Our greatest digit. What we had here? 24. If we add 9, we get 33. We get 33. And 33 is divisible by 33 is divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that 9 is that number that greatest digit. If we place here, number will be divisible by 3. Therefore, number will be divisible by. Okay. Now we solve next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Write a digit In the blank space, write a digit remaining in blank space. Blank space of each of the following numbers, of each of the following numbers so that the number is form, so that the number form is divisible by 11. Here we take question number 892,389. Okay, first we separate odd and even place number, odd and even place numbers. Here you see that odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Sum of odd place, sum of odd place digit. Digit 2 plus 3 plus 9. 40. Okay. Sum of even place digit is equal to 9 plus blank plus 8. Okay. 9 plus 8 is 11. If we put 3 here, then here we also get 14. And when we subtract 14 and 14, we get 0. Now we can say that the number is divisible by 11. Now we take 3 and difference 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, number is divisible by 11. Here we put 3. 9, 2, 3, 3, 8, 9. Okay, understand? In this way, we solve other questions of exercise 1.3.